Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a YouTuber and makeup artist based in Abuja, Nigeria. I'll be showing you how to do a skin pepper combination skin. First up, you cleanse your face using a micellar water. I'm using the Ghanaian micellar water. I double cleanse my face. I use the wet wipe with the micellar water to cleanse my face. This is for the first time. Then I use a second wipe to clean my face to make sure it's clean. Then I go ahead to hydrate my face. I'm using the Kiss Beauty Fixing Spray. I use it for my hydration. Then I use a fan to dry before going ahead to use my moisturizer. I'm using the Cetaphil's Sensitive Skin Moisturizer. I use my hand in applying this to my face because it's easier and it helps to make sure that the product actually sinks into my skin, so that my makeup application will be even and there won't be any patches. So I make sure to wash my hand before using them on my face. I apply them all over my face, under my jaw and my neck, and I use a fan to dry while also pushing it into my skin. Then I go ahead to use a mattifying primer. I'm using the classic mattifying primer and I'm applying it on my T-zones where oil comes out, such as my nose, my forehead, my brows, my jaw, and my cupid bow. I actually prefer to do this before applying my hydrating primer. Now I'm using the CPD High Grip Primer on my face. See how it's just easy to apply when you apply the mattifying primer first. It's just gliding on my skin and makes it look plump, healthy, and ready to go. And this is just a very simple routine that you can use if you have a combination skin before going ahead to apply your foundation. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe. God bless you. To watch the look I created from this skin preparation, please check out the description box below. Thank you so much. Bye.